Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 5, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column B, two numbers are remaining 1 and 4. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Column C we have 7. Second row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column G we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Third row, second row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column D we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade. 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column G, second row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, column H we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row and second row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, column E we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th grade we have 3. Third row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, third row we have 3. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 10th row we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, column G, column E we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 9. Column D we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column F we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second kid, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first kid, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.